Pinch Punch. It's the first of the month. I'm your host Connor with today's Daily News Recap. September is over, it's the start of October, and we've got news you can use. These are the headlines. Bitcoin has started October with a bang, surging by $2,500 in the space of just 20 minutes. We'll be looking at why the final 3 months of the year tend to be bullish for crypto. The US has no intention to ban cryptocurrencies. That's according to the chairman of the Federal Reserve. Stay tuned to find out what he had to say. The creator of Dogecoin wants the joke cryptocurrency to be used as a payment method for NFTs. Could this be the silver bullet that helps its price surge again? And we'll give you a sneak peek of what's in this week's CoinMarketCap podcast. As an Ethereum developer who went to a crypto conference in North Korea faces jail time, we'll talk to someone who was on that trip. But back to our top story. The crypto markets wanted to wake up when September ends, and now they've got a green day. Ha ha! Bitcoin roared back to life on Friday, suddenly surging from $44,900 to $47,600 in the space of 25 minutes. Septembers tend to be pretty boring for Bitcoin, and true to form, its price fell by 7% over the course of the month. That's the fifth consecutive year where Bitcoin has ended September in negative territory. But just take a look at the trend in Octobers. Over the past 8 years, Bitcoin has secured double-digit percentage gains in 6 of them. 2014 and 2018 were the only years that ended in the red. But here's the really creepy thing. One analyst has managed to accurately predict Bitcoin's monthly close twice in a row. Plan B, the inventor of the stock-to-flow forecast, successfully predicted that Bitcoin would be at $47,000 by the end of August and $43,000 by the end of September. Setting out his targets for the rest of 2021, he anticipates Bitcoin will reach $63,000 in October, $98,000 in November, and $135,000 in December. Crypto traders tend to rub their hands with glee when the fourth quarter of the year comes around. Bitcoin started October 2020 at $10,000 and raced to $29,000 by December the 31st, securing a new all-time high after a 3-year wait. And who could forget what happened in the fourth quarter of 2017, when Bitcoin surged 215% and broke above $20,000 for the very first time. Given how Bitcoin has been known to operate in 4-year cycles, some believe triple-digit gains are achievable in this new quarter. But history doesn't always repeat itself. Next to the United States of America, and the chairman of the country's central bank, the Federal Reserve, has said the US has no intentions to ban cryptocurrencies. Jerome Powell was facing questions from the House Financial Services Committee, and he was asked whether America hopes to follow in China's footsteps by attempting to outlaw Bitcoin. Back in July, he had said that the creation of a digital dollar would mean you wouldn't need stablecoins, you wouldn't need cryptocurrencies. But during Thursday's hearing, Powell said he had misspoken. Instead, he had meant to say that a central bank digital currency, such as a digital dollar, could perform some of the functions of stablecoins. Although Bitcoiners may be breathing a sigh of relief over Powell's comments, he did leave the door open for tighter oversight over stablecoins, comparing them to bank deposits and money market funds. He noted, "They're somewhat outside the regulatory perimeter, and it's appropriate they be regulated. Same activity, same regulation." Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies designed to maintain a one-to-one peg with a fiat currency, most commonly the US dollar. But some stablecoin issuers, including Tether, have come under scrutiny amid claims that the coins they have in circulation aren't fully backed by dollars in a bank. Now, would you use Doge to pay for NFTs? Dogecoin's creator Billy Markus has said the joke cryptocurrency needs to make some big improvements if it's going to continue the extraordinary growth it's seen over the past year. Markus wants a bridge to be created between Dogecoin and Ethereum, and for OpenSea, the world's biggest NFT marketplace, to accept a wrapped version of Doge as a payment method. He said, Allowing for Doge purchases of NFTs greatly increases its utility. Of course, Dogecoin has had an absolutely crazy year, and it was worth half a cent at the start of 2021. It then raised to highs of 74 cents in May, but had cooled to 20 cents by the end of September. Even at the current price, Doge's value has risen by a whopping 4,000% in the year to date. And finally, the latest episode of the CoinMarketCap podcast is out. If you haven't been listening, why? You're missing out. This week, we're talking about Virgil Griffith. That's the Ethereum developer who is now facing jail time after attending a crypto conference in North Korea. He's pleaded guilty to conspiring to help the isolated country evade sanctions. Ethan Liu went to North Korea with Virgil, and he's joined us to explain what went down on that trip and why he may have gone for a plea deal at the last minute. He said, "Virgil had a lot of setbacks in this case. I think ultimately he weighed the odds, and 6.5 years is better than 20. Ethan's book also describes how he met Gerald Cotton, the founder of the doomed Canadian crypto exchange Quadriga CX, in 2014. The trading platform collapsed after Cotton died on his honeymoon in India, reportedly from complications related to Crohn's disease. More than 76,000 investors lost hundreds of millions of dollars as a result, and Ethan was one of them. For some time now, there have been rumours that Cotton may have faked his own death. When Ethan was asked whether he believes the entrepreneur is still alive, he said, "Even government officials are sceptical. Police have been going around asking that. So it's very possible that he did escape, that he didn't run away and fake his death, but I wouldn't want to make any predictions right now." CoinMarketCap's Molly Jane Zuckerman also joins us for a look at the week's news, including Elon Musk's latest comments about crypto, why viral memes from years ago are being turned into NFTs, and a hamster that's managed to outperform the stock market by trading cryptocurrencies. I have a hamster too. Look at him, he's called Bagel. And that is Friday's news. We hope you've enjoyed today's episode. So, do you think Bitcoin can hit $100,000 this year? And would you use Doge to buy an NFT? Make sure you leave a comment below. If you like what you've seen today, why not give our video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for free alerts every time we release a new episode. And if you're hungry for more, all you've got to do is ask Alex. Click on the link in the description of this video to head to our website, where we've got loads of great guides and features about all things crypto. I've been your host Connor, and that was your daily news recap. Thank you for watching, and we'll be back on Monday.